Obsessed. We're back! Yay! Another pop box unboxing with Bella!
Hello!
انتوا كلكم وحشتكم Bella. I know all of you guys missed Bella, so I got her back for another unboxing. ده new SkullPanda collection اللي هو My Little Pony. We got them off of
Pop box!
Don't forget to use my discount code اللي هو MIMO15. You're gonna get a lot more discounts. هتاخدوا خصومات إضافية فوق الخصومات اللي already موجودة على pop box. كل البلايند boxes اللي أنا بعمل لها unboxing معاكم اللي كان بقى اللابوبو أو SkullPandas نوميز أو ميميز كل الحاجات دي أنا بشتريها فقط من pop box لأن بضمن إن هما بيكونوا authentic 100%. Bella doesn't buy any of her blind boxes unless it's from pop box.
Yep.
And she uses my code and she gets amazing discounts.
Always the best.
Yeah.
So excited for this one.
So we have the full set. Bella got us 2 more from the same collection. في حال إن أنا طلعت لي double مثلاً ممكن أديها بتاعتي or if she gets something that I want and she already had so she can give it to me because it's a double for her. So let's see what will happen. Or maybe it's a secret. Or maybe the secret is here. We don't know. So let's see. Okay, yalla, go ahead. Choose first.
I will go for this one.
Okay. I will go eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I'll go for this one. Which one are you manifesting?
I'm looking for the purple one.
So she wants the purple one. You know I have all the SkullPandas and I have all the secrets. So if I don't get a secret in SkullPanda, I'm gonna be mad. That's been my luck for now. So hopefully, hopefully this collection has 2 secrets. بالنسبة لي I want Rainbow Dash or Pinkie Pie. Either, like بصراحة I'm not gonna be mad with any. I like all of them.
They're also pretty and cute.
Yeah, but manifestation, Rainbow Dash. Now is Rainbow Dash.
Twilight Sparkle.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was satisfying. Why does it look... It's a pouch. Oh, now they're doing pouches.
They're so cute.
It's so cute. Yeah, it's so eco-friendly. You can even use it later on. Yeah, مش لازم تترمي. 1, 2. Okay. Is it Rainbow Dash? I don't know. Oh, the head. 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh, you got the purple one!
There's 2 purples.
She got the first. There's 2 purples.
I love them both.
Rarity. Okay.
So pretty.
دي هي طلعت لها الموف الفاتح اللي هي rarity. I got the brown one. That's Applejack.
Look at the apples.
God. And the eyes. We were talking about the eyes. امبارح أنا وهي كنا بنتكلم على apple pie وكنا بنقول قد إيه her eye color is so beautiful. It reminds me of the contact lenses that I have. Look like kitty green from Mimotique. نفس عدسات Mimotique اللي هي kitty green. It's so pretty. Love the color combo.
The eyes are like ice. So cute. And the details.
SkullPanda now has hair. زي الباربي. Unicorn horn. It has a hair
The
clip.
details are incredible.
Yeah.
Cute. Because it has the original character.
Yes. Okay. زبادي شايل وحطه كله عليتي. Secret. This time I want either Rainbow Dash or Secret.
She's so cute.
Oh, Fluttershy is also amazing.
With the colors.
Okay. Rainbow Dash or Secret. Rainbow Dash or Secret. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Rainbow Dash Secret. 2. I'm opening the pouch. I'm still opening.
I took it out already.
It's fine.
My eyes are closed.
Okay. Yalla, Rainbow Dash or Secret.
Let's see.
Rainbow Dash or Secret. Rainbow Dash
or Secret.
Oh my god. Or Fluttershy. Or Pinkie Pie.
Oh, she's such a cutie.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. You got Cutie Pie!
And you got the
Fluttershy!
So cute.
طلعت لي اللي هي عايزاها وطلعت لها what I want. Oh my god, the color combo. I love her. Oh my god. Show the legs, yeah. Show the legs. Each leg is different. She has 2 different color boots. And this is pink. Baby, this is pastel pink and yellow. I love. I need to get the hairnet out. Amazing. I was dreading the hair. I did not think that I'm gonna like the hair. Remember I was telling you I thought it's gonna look like funky and wonky and not nice.
But it's so pretty.
It actually looks, oh my god, so pretty.
Hello. Oh, it has balloons.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
All of them have details.
Yeah, mine has butterfly. جي عندها هنا فراشات. Hers has like balloons or bubble gum. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
They're adorable.
And the eye color. Oh my god, and the hair clip details. Card. Oh, beautiful. From the full set, we have 2 left. I'll go for this one.
The moment of the truth.
Oh my god, I still want my rainbow. Rainbow Dash.
Secret.
or secret? 3, 2, 1. Give me secret. Give me secret. Give me secret. Rainbow Dash is easy to get later on.
Did you take out?
Not yet.
Not yet,
I'm
okay.
shaking it. Shaking it
For
for
luck.
luck. Okay, shake it, shake it. Opening the
Opening.
pouch, but it's still taking time. Okay, now opened. Okay, now I'm pulling it out. Rainbow Dash or secret. Please be a secret. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. Please be secret. Oh my God. Did I get secret? Did I get secret? Oh my. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! No secret. I got the purple one that you want.
Yeah.
You can have it.
Yeah. And
Do you want Rainbow Dash?
It's all yours.
Rainbow Dash. But I thought it was secret. I felt that it was
felt
secret.
like it. I thought this was a bit heavy. It's like, oh, this could be a secret too.
So weird that the last two آخر اتنين حسيناهم تقال فقلنا these are secret. Rainbow Dash. Oh God, it's so beautiful.
Look at them.
Oh
The
my
colours
God.
and the
Yours, what's the
details.
name?
And funky hair.
Yeah. Oh, and also mine has rainbow
yes.
hair. So the last two has funky hairs and both of them are straight. آخر اتنين, they have straight hair with streaks, like different colors. Amazing.
So cute.
And look oh my God, look the eye color. And that rainbow details, you guys. Oh my God, look the eyes.
And there's a little sparkle here.
I thought that I'm gonna hate the hair. Then I كنت بقول لبella, I'm not feeling the hair so much. I don't think I'm gonna like the hair so much on it. No, I'm really loving it. I'm really digging it. تحفة.
It's pretty.
Yeah. هيدي بدي كرمة بدي. Okay. يلا.
For good luck.
يلا. Secret. Give me a secret. Secret. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Inside. Our secret. I'll be happy.
Secret or Fluttershy?
Okay. Secret. Please secret.
Are you opening or not?
I
yet?
am opening.
Oh,
I
okay.
open mine.
Oh, you opened. Okay.
I open mine. I don't think it's gonna be a secret for me. But maybe a pinkie pie. Let's see. Do you have it out?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Oh, you got Fluttershy!
So cute.
Your luck is on. I got Rarity!
So pretty.
Oh my God. Amazing. No doubles. So we got doubles but not for each other. So yeah. So أنا جات لي Rarity اللي هي كانت طالعة لبella في الset. And she got Fluttershy, which I already had in the set. So that's amazing. She really wanted Fluttershy.
So cute. I love the butterflies.
Yeah, look at the hair. Love the color. My Little Pony collection. Obsessed with this collection. Amazing.
Super cute.
Yeah, I'm so happy with whatever I got. So happy.
All of them are pretty.
They are. They really are. I am on the hunt though for Pinkie Pie.
You can have it.
No. No. But I am going to find her. Look at the heart.
It's
the
so
big
cute.
heart.
It's like having a pillow.
Yeah. It reminds me of Care Bears. That's why I liked Rainbow Dash, because it reminded me also of Care Bear. Also want to get your hands on the new SkullPanda My Little Pony collection. ما عليكوش غير ان انتوا تشتروها من PopBox. You will get the best prices over there. خصوصا لو استعملتوا الديسكاونت كود بتاعي اللي هو MIMO15. You're gonna get the best deals ever.